So here's some of the whiting now that it's thawed out. Still got some in there, some in there. I've given 4 away. I filleted some. As you can see here, there's some whiting fillets, and then I've got some more fish here ready to go. Got some in here still, and I've got some here that I've just gutted, took the heads off. I'm gonna do some whole ones, I think. Some fillets and whatever. But yeah, Dungeness catch. Okay, so going over to my friends now with my fillets, because I've filleted up the whiting, and I've got one bit of dogfish in there, and I think I'm gonna make some goujons. Yeah, see how that works out. So I'm gonna do it on the fire. So I'll just rinse these off, go and make up a flour mix, get some eggs, so I can just rub these in it and yeah, make me goujons. So I'll find out a mix for goujon flour or powder, or whatever you want to call it, goujon mix, and I'll get back to it in a bit. The last little bit of egg mix. I want to try and get away with that and not have to put another egg. I've used 3 so far. To be honest with you, they're coming out good. And there they are. Goujons all cooked up. Some dogfish or huss. And we've got 2 types. Oh no, I've got some fish I done in the oven. And then the deep fried stuff. Deep fried stuff are banging. The fish in the oven, they taste nice, but they're a bit drier. Something to eat them with, and that'll be good for the night.